So today we're gonna have a quick guide on how to draw zones. You can do this on Forex, crypto, stocks, it doesn't really matter. And these are just areas where price is likely to bounce. I recommend using the line chart for that, as you can see price more clearly. And what I recommend to you is you look at my cursor and you have this horizontal line here that is currently at this level indicated right here on the right. Now if you go down, you just look where this line, basically this red line, meets multiple price levels. So for example, here you can see it price bouncing here off this line, but it only bounces really one time. So we want areas where price bounces multiple times. We'll now track this line down slowly, and then together we are gonna look where this line moves price in another direction. Okay, nothing yet. Here we have a very clear level, but we see that in the future it doesn't really respect this line. So nothing here either. Here I think we have some price connecting to the line and bouncing off it. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this rectangular tool and just go from the highest point here. So basically it's like two lines. The zone is somewhere between these two lines. And we're now gonna draw it on like this. Okay, but this is only a line chart, and we still want to look at the normal candlestick chart to see whether or not the zone is good. Okay, so we see this zone is quite clear. We don't really need to adjust it much. Maybe we can adjust it down just a little bit. And then this is an area where you could place trades if price would come up, for example, and have some red candles, would be likely to go down even further. Okay, now we continue. Our line was right here. I think here's another good level. This in the past it didn't really respect the line too much, but from this point forwards, it really respected the line. So let's draw two lines again. You can see where the zone is. So now this is the highest point, and this is the lowest point. Here we saw it bouncing again with multiple bounces. Now just gonna draw the zone between the lines, and again go onto the candlestick chart to see. Here, for example, we have price going through the line, through the zone multiple times. We could adjust it down a little bit. And this is how I think the zone would be very good. Now again, go back to the line chart, take out a line, drag it down. So I think here we have an area where price bounced multiple times. And we also see it bouncing here. So we again are going to take out our tool. These are maybe too high to include. Maybe we could include this low. Then I'm just gonna draw it like this. Now we're gonna delete this line. Look at the candlestick chart again. So this part here is a little messy. So we could either just accept that because price is not gonna um, go respect the zone every time. Here, for example, price smashed through the zone also, but this doesn't matter really. Price won't respect the zone every time. So we could drag it down. Maybe not as much, but maybe like this. And then I think we have a nice zone here. We don't even need to include this one. We could just draw it. Let's start right here, like this. Now we have 3 zones where price is likely to bounce. Now let's extend them. And let's just play the market and see what it does. Okay, so it bounces off this zone. We just threw in. We didn't really know if it's gonna bounce here because it just started here. Now it went up to another zone. So this could have been a nice trade. It comes into the zone, place your stop loss below the zone, let it take profit at the next zone. Now, this is why you should always place your take profit a little bit on the lower side of the zone, so you can catch the move even if it doesn't go deep into the zone. So I did it wrong here. I placed it like this. Now to check it down again. But you of course could have now taken a trade right here. Although it didn't push deep enough for me to trade it. Here you see it bouncing again. So really see price respecting the zone. We started right here, bounced up, bounced down, bounced up. And this is just because you now know how to draw very, very clear zones where price is very likely to bounce. Let's continue. Now it bounced here at the top again, get back into the bottom zone. Now it smashed through the zone. This will happen from time to time. So if we count, we had one good trading opportunity here, then one good trading opportunity here, one good up, and another one good down. And then this last one here would have failed. Okay, so let's continue for a little bit. We have, by the way, this level right here, but this is only tested once, so it's not a clear zone. Okay, the price pushes back up into the zone. So now we could take a trade like this. Which you see played out as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new. And yeah, gonna see you in the next one. Good luck in your trading week. Bye.